Don't forget to click the link below and visit my site. Hit the subscribe button and like this video. This homemade bread is great. Here's how it works. You whisk an egg with a little coconut or almond flour and add a pinch of salt and baking powder, oil, and milk. Zap it for 1 minute and 30 seconds in the microwave and you end up with a cylindrical loaf of spongy bread-like stuff. Some recipes use coconut flour, while some use almond flour. Others go unapologetically into biscuit mode and add cheese and herbs. I tried them all. Ingredients: 1. Large egg 1 tablespoon. Milk 1 tablespoon. Olive oil 1 tablespoon. Coconut flour 1 tablespoon. Almond or hazelnut flour 1/4 teaspoon. Baking powder pinch. Salt. Optional add-ins. 1/4 cup. Grated cheese 1 tablespoon. Minced scallions or herbs. Instructions. Whisk the egg, milk, oil, coconut flour, nut flour, baking powder, and salt together in a small bowl. Add the cheese and scallions or herbs, if using, and stir to combine. Pour into a tall microwave-safe mug and tap the bottom firmly on the counter a few times to force any air bubbles to rise and pop. Microwave on high for 1 minute, 30 seconds. Invert mug onto a cutting board and let the bread slide out. Cut crosswise into 1/2 inch thick slices. To toast, heat a teaspoon of oil in a small skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Add the slices and toast until golden brown, about 30 seconds per side.